Hello everyone and welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into the world of laptop accessories. With what can only be described as the best laptop cooler for MacBook available in the market, the havit HV-F2056 cooling pad. If you're a MacBook user looking to keep your device running smoothly and efficiently, you're in for a treat. Let's start with the basics. The havit HV-F2056 is a slim, portable cooling pad specifically designed for laptops ranging from 15.6 to 17 inches. Its sleek black and blue design not only looks great but also offers exceptional functionality. One of the standout features of this cooling pad is its ergonomic design. It doubles as an ergonomic stand with two adjustable height settings, allowing you to find the perfect angle for comfortable typing and viewing. But what really sets this cooling pad apart is its cooling capabilities. Equipped with 3 ultra-quiet fans, this pad creates a noise-free environment while effectively dissipating heat from your MacBook, ensuring optimal performance even during intense gaming or heavy workload sessions. Additionally, the high-quality multi-directional metal mesh provides a stable and wear-resistant surface for your MacBook, giving you peace of mind wherever you go. And here's the cherry on top: the havit HV-F2056 comes with extra USB ports, including a built-in dual USB hub, allowing you to connect more USB devices with ease. Now, let's address the elephant in the room: compatibility. While this cooling pad is optimized for MacBooks, it's also suitable for other laptops, routers, PS3, PS4, and tablets, making it a versatile accessory for all your devices. In conclusion, if you're a MacBook user in need of reliable cooling solutions, look no further than the havit HV-F2056 cooling pad. Its slim, portable design, ergonomic features, ultra-quiet fans, and extra USB ports make it the perfect companion for your MacBook. That's all for today's review. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more product critiques. Until next time, happy cooling!